Okay. Now?
Yes, now is it.
Okay. So, yeah. Good
How is
evening.
going?
Yeah, fantastic. I am also
Yes.
good as well.
Okay, it's okay. No
Okay.
issue.
Yeah, I want to learn this language, so that is why I'm learning this language and talking to my hobbies. So reading book, I love to dance, and I love to talk with the different people. And I'm married. I am homemaker. That's it all about me.
Okay, that's great. Yes. So yeah, how long have you been learning this language?
It's been 1 year, so I have been learning this language.
Yeah, before you, I think I watch anywhere. I do now. I am not remembering. I think I watch on in with anybody with on video and YouTube channel. You have YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, okay. Maybe I watch you. So yeah, but I'm not making your video with you before that. This is our first video. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have YouTube channel?
Yes, yes, I have a YouTube channel. I started
Okay.
before 6 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
So both are okay. So both are same page.
Yes, yes, yeah. When I started the my learning this language, so after month, I think that I'm to also open our YouTube channel because people are know if you are practicing, so why you don't upload that video on YouTube channel? Because yeah, if you are practicing and if anybody are beginners, so they watch, they also they want to also practice like that. They know don't know how to practice. If they do, so they practice like that. They message to us, and also we are starting practice because they are also beginners. We are beginners. It's very initial, especially for housewife. It's good.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely correct. Yeah. Because everyone wants to learn this language, so sometimes they don't know how to create, how to frame those sentences. So that's
Yes.
very beneficial for everyone,
Yeah.
especially beginners. Hmm.
Yes, that's why. Before starting this YouTube channel, at that time I also don't know if we are practicing, so we want to upload also video. So that time only I'm focusing on my to enhance my language. So I started reading, I starting watching videos. So sometimes I practicing on the audio call. That time I'm only following audio call, not video. But after that I thinking that if we are in front of video, so that time it's time to build our confidence, because we get confidence only by video calls. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
on audio call we can talk it anything, because that time we think that nobody can watch, and only we are speaking, and that time in our minds lots of words are getting, but in front of video, in front of people, we are not catch our lots of words. That time we are fumbling that time. So for
Mm-hmm.
that we need to go ahead from video. By video we are lose our confidence that time.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only
Yeah.
reason. Yes, that's why I'm
Yeah.
creating this channel.
Yeah, if you okay, if you take a conversation everyday video calling, so it's very beneficial for every beginners. You know what, and we are connecting each other with the
Yeah,
with video calling. So yeah, eye contact and lip sync and how to
yeah,
expression yours, everything we can watch. So
yeah.
yeah, so this is a good also. Yeah, and initially I also didn't take any video calling, but you know what, this is a very benefit for me. My first when I started speaking part, so only first video calling, I didn't take any audio call.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. Okay.
And nowadays, yeah, no, nowadays I take audio calling because mostly people they want to
Hmm.
only audio calling. So sometimes we have to take audio
Yeah,
calling.
because simultaneously they want, talking as well as they are sometimes they working, so they doing both things at that times. That's why they choose audio call. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, right,
I'm also
exactly.
doing same thing sometimes. If I'm not in mode to video call, so I take audio call that time. So that's okay. If you are lie on the bed, you can talk. You are doing something, so that time you can talk. But your journey is going on. No one can stop that. So yeah,
Right.
it's yeah.
Mm,
Okay,
absolutely.
after this fluency, what's will be your future plan? Your if you want to do something.
Now I can't say because I didn't decide yet. But yeah, if in future after fluent speaker, so I want choose. I would love to choose teaching English.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely. If we are, good in subject, so why we can't, teach to other, uh, choose this, streams to teach other kids. You start from kids because kids is best way. If you want to teach that, you want to, explore your knowledge with others. That good.
Mm. So okay, so do you speak English language at home with your children?
Yes, always I used to talk my husband, but in earlier days after my second child born, so I feel that if she is always watching me, I am talking in English, so she always grab that word easily. So after my second child, this language always I'm using this language, but now she able to speak more and more in English. She not talking in our native language because I'm always using this word. So so her tone, her tone also in English. If she's
Oh my
speaking
God.
in Hindi, yes, if she's speaking in Hindi, sometimes she use word basic word, she use English. No, and she was only English video all time, means rhymings. She never know about reels. I'm not introducing reels to her, and she watching only songs, English song. So
Okay, English.
she doing, yes, and her sound and her accent also be a that song. Always she's talking in front of people feel like she is singing, not she talking. She is talking like that. Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay, that's great.
yes,
Hmm.
yeah,
Because you are speaking English language, that's the reason your children also speak English language. You know what? And you are giving environment your children.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So yeah,
My
definitely
yes.
you are
My
speaking
elder
with.
son is now she able to talk everything in English because now she's fourth standard, so she able to talk everything in English. If I'm talking, I'm give command to him, and she doing all, and she me if I'm some in sometimes I'm fumble, but they don't know. They taught me, Mama, you are forgot that word using. You can use this word. So because that time I'm forgot, so I started my Hindi language that time. But he taught me, Mama, you forgot, I think. So use this word that time. He taught me that time. Yes,
Oh my God.
yes,
So that are your children.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Of
Teach you.
course, yes.
Great.
Because yeah, we want to learn this language, so definitely that is a one best tips. You want to speak more and more.
Hmm.
Definitely, then you
Right.
can talk. If you're not speaking more, so it's difficult. You want to fluent in English, because if you want to learn something, for that at least 1 hour, 2 hours, you want to on your lips that words are again you can repeat, then you can in your mind are thinking in English. If you're
Hmm.
not you
Great.
talking in yes, so your mind also not working, because your mind always grab that you use this language only, your native language. So if you are start speaking, then your mind also are start thinking. That is
Hmm.
one thing that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because this is the also I can say I want to add one thing. This is not my first language. This is the second language. So this
Yeah,
language they have a habitual my mouth,
yeah,
so that's the reason sometimes I feel fumble, I got stuck while speaking another person. So and you speak every day and 15 minutes, yeah, 20 minutes, okay, and you have to talk another people, so what happen, your mouth will be habit, okay, habitual.
yes, yeah.
So that's
Mm,
the reason mostly people, they know very well grammatic rules, but it's come to speaking, so they don't able to speak. Okay, they don't
yes,
be able to speak because of practice, because of lack of due to practice. Okay, and as much as you speak, your fluency, okay, develop day by day, right? So it's a very necessary, it's a very useful that you have to speak.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
You
you
know,
should
I
speak
heard,
every you should speak every day, and whether you speak right, whether you speak wrong way, but you should
yes,
start speaking without making
yes,
mistake. Yeah, I can understand, without making mistake, you can never learn anything,
yes,
right?
yeah,
So it's okay,
yes,
and time to time you are making mistake, and third time you will definitely think about your mind, so yeah, I am speaking wrong, so I have to I now I have to correct, I have to speak correct way, right? So and you are only thinking, yeah, I know very well English, language, I can understand everything, but and someone asks you, okay, and how to speak this language, so and how to speak front of others, so that time get us stuck. Okay, that
yes.
someone, yeah, I also make mistake, but yeah, it's okay, but I, without thinking, you start speaking, you should start
Okay,
speaking, right?
okay. So, can you wait for 2 minutes because someone calling me again and again. I think
Okay,
it's important call.
yeah,
Okay.
of course, of course.